When whispering your name, I'd been running from my shadows, but they always knew my shame. Then the first crack split the silence, like the truth I tried to hide. And the thunder rolled inside me as a storm began to rise. I was falling, barely standing, lost control and couldn't steer. Every secret I'd been holding came alive in the atmosphere. But you found me in the lightning, when my whole world crashed and burned. You pulled me from the wreckage, when I swore I'd never learn. Yeah, the night was cold and violent, but your voice cut through the roar. You turned my breakdown into healing, when the storm hit my front door. Rain was pounding on the pavement like the heartbeat I forgot. I was drowning in the memories of the battles I had fought. Then your headlights cut the darkness, and you stepped into the rain. Said you don't have to face this all alone inside the pain. I was falling, barely breathing, thought the damage was too deep. But you held me like forgiveness, and the thunder fell asleep. 'Cause you found me in the lightning, when my whole world crashed and burned. You pulled me from the wreckage, when I swore I'd never learn. Yeah, the night was cold and violent, but your voice cut through the roar. You turned my breakdown into healing, when the storm hit my front door. Now the clouds are slowly clearing, but the memory still remains. How the storm that almost broke me was the one that changed my name. And I'm stronger for the fire, and I'm grateful for the rain. 'Cause you showed up like a sunrise after nights of hurricane. Yeah, you found me in the lightning, when my whole world cruised and burned. You taught me how to rise and go from the ashes I had earned. Now the thunder sounds like mercy, and the rain don't scare me more. 'Cause love walked in like salvation, and the storm hit my front door.